Electricity is invisible, but it's everywhere. It lights our homes, powers our cities, and connects our world. But what is it really? Let's see how this invisible force works, and why it makes life on our planet easier. Inside every wire, something invisible is moving. Tiny particles called electrons. They rush forward, passing energy along the wire, like a stream that never stops. This invisible motion is what we call electricity, the power that brings light and life to everything around us. In the room, there's a small switch on the wall. The capybara looks at it and wonders, how does this little thing control the light? When the switch is off, the path for electrons is broken, so they can't reach the lamp, and it stays dark. But when the switch is on, the path is complete again. Electrons can move freely, and the lamp lights up. That's all a switch really does. It simply opens or closes the road for electricity to travel. So, how does a light bulb actually work? Inside it, there's a thin wire waiting for electricity. When the switch turns on, it heats up more and more until it starts to glow. And that's the light we see. But why doesn't the wire burn? Because inside the bulb, there isn't any oxygen. Instead, it's filled with argon gas, a safe gas that doesn't react with the hot wire. Electricity brings light to our world, turning simple metal and glass into something almost magical. In the corner of the room, a balloon rolls toward the capybara. She picks it up and starts rubbing it on her fur, just for fun. Suddenly, her hair stands on end. What happened? The rubbing made tiny electric charges build up on the balloon. They began to pull at her fur, and that's why it sticks out. That invisible attraction is called static electricity. For this experiment, we'll need a nail, a copper wire, a few paper clips, and a small battery. First, I wrap the wire tightly around the nail, like making a tiny coil. Then, I connect both ends of the wire to the battery. Electricity starts flowing through the wire, and suddenly the nail becomes a magnet. It begins to attract the paper clips, and this is just the beginning. With electricity, we can build motors, speakers, and so many other things that make our world move. From the smallest spark to the brightest light, electricity connects everything. It powers machines, lights the dark, and drives the pulse of our modern world. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.